Hey guys, welcome back to Easy English with Rosanna Roy on Bookmark Tutorials. This video is on adverbs. Before we begin, let me remind you guys to subscribe to our channel Bookmark Tutorials so that you can stay updated on our content. And if you like our videos, do share them with your friends and those who might find them helpful. What are adverbs? They are a set of words that give us more information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. We use them all the time. They are really interesting words that can enhance your language ability once you figure out how to use them properly. They provide answers to questions such as when, where, how much, how often, and so on. Let's find out how. A lot of adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjectives, like quick, quickly. But remember, not all of them follows this rule. It's a common misconception that adverbs are all the words that end with ly. That's not true, and there are a lot of adverbs that do not end in ly, like tomorrow, somewhere, always, etc. That being said, let me give you guys a little task. Try to find the adverbs in the following sentences. Let's see how many of them you can get right. Did you get those right? If you did, nice job. If you didn't, don't worry. Stay tuned to this video. We will be looking at more adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs. The major types are the adverbs of manner, degree, place, time, and frequency. Let's see what they do. Adverbs of manner describe how an action is being done, such as loudly, quietly, slowly, etc. Adverbs of degree are words such as very, to, really, extremely, and so on. These words show degree or intensity of something. For example, when we say, he runs very fast, this gives us an idea about the degree of the speed of the person being mentioned. Adverbs of place show the location of something, such as here, there, anywhere, everywhere, upwards, downwards, and so on. Adverbs of time obviously talk about time or duration of something. For example, now, still, yesterday, tonight, etc. Adverbs of frequency show how often something happens. For example, always, often, rarely. Apart from these main types of adverbs, there are also other kinds of adverbs such as adverbs of opinion and linking adverbs, which are also known as conjunctive adverbs. Adverbs of opinion talk about opinion or personal beliefs. They are words such as personally, possibly, undoubtedly, and so on, which show your personal opinion about something. Linking adverbs are used to link ideas. such as the words however, therefore, hence, thus, and so on. Let's look at some examples. James coughed loudly to attract her attention. The adverb loudly shows how he coughed or the manner. The water was extremely cold. Extremely here shows degree. After a long day of work, we headed homewards. Homewards is an adverb of place. I saw Sally today, an adverb of time. It's often difficult to find a place to park. Often indicates frequency. Clearly, he did not understand what I told him. This shows the opinion of the speaker. You need to put more effort into your work. Otherwise, you won't get a passing grade. Linking adverb. Let's check your progress. Try to identify the adverbs and their type in the following sentences. How many of them did you get right? Do tell me in the comments. There are a lot of rules regarding the use of adverbs. It's really difficult to memorize all of them. So instead, it would be better to learn them through practice. Generally, there is a lot of confusion regarding the position of adverbs. Adverbs can be placed in the beginning, the middle, and in the end of a sentence, depending on the kind of adverb that you're using. For example, slowly she picked up the knife. She spoke softly. In these sentences, you can see the adverbs placed in the beginning and at the end respectively. When you are placing an adverb in the middle of a sentence, always remember that you need to place them between the subject and the main verb. Look at the first example. Apples always taste best when you pick them straight off the tree. Here you can see the adverb placed between the subject and the verb. In the second sentence, the government has occasionally been forced to change its mind. Here the adverb occasionally has been placed after the auxiliary verb has and before the main verb. These are two ways you can use an adverb in the middle of a sentence. But always remember that you can never use an adverb between the verb and its direct object. That's incorrect. Let's do some more practice. Identify the adverbs and their type. And do tell me how many of them you got right in the comments. Adverbs are not always a single word. Sometimes a group of words perform the function of an adverb. They are called as an adverb phrase. Check out some examples. She runs 5 miles every day. This product is available in all places. The oath was recited somewhat hesitantly. I waited for a few minutes. Sometimes I don't clean under the bed. she responded very rudely. Hey guys, that's all for now. Remember to subscribe to our channel Bookmark Tutorials so that you can stay tuned to our content. And if you liked this video, do hit like and do share it with your friends and people who might find it helpful. Also, do share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you'd like us to make videos on any specific topic, do tell us in the comments. Hope you have a great day. Bye.